Hey guys, how's it going? How's it going? It's Ray from CMA, and you're in the shop with me tonight. And so, amongst all the insanity, I'm taking my mind off it by doing what I do. So tonight I'm working on the Roadrunner, and I'm fitting the quarter, fitting the quarter extension. What a show that was. That was tough. The quarters, there was a big gap back here, and it didn't line up. So just like I said. The sheet metal will get you close, but you've always got to work it. But it looks good. See? Yep. Okay, it looks good. So with that, I put the quarter on, extension, got that fitting good. I have the floor extension in place. I have the patch back here in place. So I have everything mocked up and everything looked really good. So I forged ahead and I welded in the extension, patch in the back, this extension piece there. So what I'm gonna do now? Go home? No, I'm gonna continue working for a little while. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull off the quarter. I'm gonna groom up the welds that are down there, clean them up, epoxy them, get them all ready to go for the next step. The next step is to finish grooming up the quarter. I think what I'm going to do now, though, what I really want to do is I want to put the door skin on the shell, and I want to put it in this place right here where it goes. So I got a couple brackets to weld into the skin, and then I want to check my lines over here, make sure everything's good, in and out, side to side. So that's where I'm at right now tonight, guys. It's been a good day. Didn't get started and moving and motivated till later on, but hey, I'm gonna make up the time somewhere. So right now I am going to finish up with the Roadrunner. I'm gonna start on the door, and that's about where I'm at right now. So guys, thank you so much once again for tuning in, and share my videos, please. Like them, subscribe on YouTube for me, spread the word, share the wealth, and thank you so much, guys. We'll talk to you soon in the next video, and I hope to be a little further along. All right, good night, guys.